In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate a running total in Tableau. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can derive valuable insights from your data using Tableau's powerful tools. First, let's start by opening your Tableau desktop application. Once you have it fired up, navigate to the worksheet containing the data you wish to analyze. This is where you'll build your visualizations and perform calculations. Now that you're in your worksheet, the first action you'll take is to drag the order date field into the columns area. After doing this, it's important to change its granularity to month. This will help in organizing your data chronologically, making it easier to interpret over time. Next, you'll want to take your sales field and drag it to the rows section. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for your visualization, essentially plotting your sales data over time. Adding color to your visualization can make it more insightful and visually appealing. To do this, drag the measure names to the color mark. This allows for differentiation between different measures in your data set, providing clarity and depth. Now let's move into creating a calculated field, which is a powerful feature in Tableau for custom calculations. Go to the Analysis menu and select Create Calculated Field. In this dialog box, you'll give your field a name and enter the necessary query. Once you've done that, click Apply and then OK to create the field. With your new calculated field ready, drag it into the rows shelf. This will plot your calculated data alongside your original sales figures. To further organize your visualization, you might want to drag the region field into the rows. This adds another layer of segmentation, allowing you to view your running totals across different regions. Your next step involves selecting the drop-down list on your calculated field. From there, you'll choose Edit Table Calculation and then opt for a specific dimension. Make sure that the region option remains unchecked. This ensures that your running total is calculated independently of region-based segmentation. After refining your table calculation, click the drop-down again and select Dual Axis. This is a handy technique to overlay multiple measures on a single graph, allowing for immediate comparative analysis. Once you've done that, transform your visualization into an area chart. This type of chart provides a more filled appearance, emphasizing the accumulated value over time. Finally, remember that you have the flexibility to change your calculated field to a running average if that suits your data analysis needs better. This small adjustment can provide a different perspective, showcasing the trends in a smoother line. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to calculating a running total in Tableau. By following these steps, you've enriched your data analysis process, able to uncover trends and insights effectively.